everybody. My name is Dr. Germanuel Landfair. I'm one of the adult reconstruction surgeons here at Orthopaedic Medical Group of Tampa Bay. And today I'll be talking to you about how to prepare your home for either hip or knee replacement surgery. So preparing your home for hip or knee replacement surgery is very critical, and it's important to make sure your recovery goes well. One of the things you want to make sure is that you remove any rugs, any loose mats, clutter, anything that you can get caught up under your foot and cause you to fall. This is also true for pets. Pets can also get caught up under your feet, so you want to make sure that you have a good plan in place for them. Maybe someone could take over care of them for a little while, or you have them in a separate place. You also want to make sure you have any electrical cords or anything out of the way. The day of surgery, you also want to make sure that you have a reliable ride, as you will not be able to take yourself home because you'll be under the influence of anesthesia. So another important thing that we want to make sure that you have secured in place on the day of surgery is to have recovery tools at home, such as an ice machine or TENS unit. Those things are very critical to help reduce pain and help your recovery process in the long run. Overall, we wanted you to make sure that you remember that we're trying to create a safe environment for you to recover in after surgery.